Today we are cutting up our plywood to make our splitter, or the basic of our splitter. Here's the shape, drawn out nicely, I think. Anyway, I just got started here, and yeah, so we're gonna just go ahead and record that. So this is where I'm at, dude. It's a lot of work, especially with the freaking handsaw. But we're getting there. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get the rest of this because it's taking a while. We'll see. Anyway. It looked kind of good, more or less. A little wild on this one. That looked kind of good. It looked kind of good. It's a little weird as far as where these things are at. There we go. Yeah, just about there. All right, so next step is to find the mounting points for the quick release that I am putting together. I bought the parts preemptively, waiting for this day to come, and it has come. So I thought, you know, what better than some door latches, right? Some door latches and some where is it? What is this? I don't know what this is, but what is this? Anyway, some door latches, right? And then putting some, where is it? Ah, here's the other part. All right, some door latches, and then these things to hook into the door latches, right? And then to make it even cooler, I got this electric motor, the same motor that like opens a trunk or whatever. I got a motor like that so that I can wire this, or maybe a longer wire than this, to each one of these levers, right? And so I'll be able to unhook the splitter from the inside. So that's the plan anyway. See how well it turns out. I have to get a longer wire, obviously, so that the motor can reach the, I guess I can mount the motor pretty low, but the motor can reach the hinges. And then I gotta figure out what this is because I forget what this is. But yeah, that's the plan. Anyway, this is Can't Fit with the Honda Fit, and now the Prelude, and I'll see you in the next one.